Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 FS, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data so you can avoid some additional charges. And then make sure that you've got your Google account added to the device. Without it, you will not be able to follow my steps. So either you can do it after entering the Play Store, or you can do it using the settings. If you wish, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Alright, so let's start finally. Let's open the Play Store, and now all we have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device, and here we can either tap on Manage or here on Updates Available. Let's tap on it, and here we've got the full list of the updates pending, and if you wish you can update them one by one manually just by tapping on Update next to the specific app, or you can update all but do it before tapping on specific updates, because as you can see, instead of Update All, we've got right now Cancel All. Moreover, we can go to Manage and tap on Updates Available, and basically we've got the same list here, but the operation is a little bit different, because here you can mark the apps which you wish to update, so you don't have to do it one by one. And then after marking, just tap on this update icon, and your device will obviously download the updates, and after that they will be automatically applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.